Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we will be walking through the process of replacing the battery in your Dyson SV25 vacuum cleaner. This task can enhance the performance of your vacuum and extend its lifespan. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your tools. You will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of safety gloves. Ensure that your work area is clean and well lit. If you find yourself lacking any of these tools, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation and can assist you with any concerns. Step 2. Prepare the vacuum. Before you begin, make sure the vacuum is turned off and unplugged. Remove any attachments and set them aside. This will give you clear access to the battery compartment. Step 3. Remove the battery cover. Locate the battery cover on the bottom of the vacuum. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery cover in place. Keep these screws in a safe location as you will need them later. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. Step 4. Take out the old battery. Once the cover is removed, gently pull out the old battery. Be cautious, as there may be some dust or debris inside the compartment. Use a flathead screwdriver to carefully clean the area, ensuring there are no obstructions before inserting the new battery. Remember, no calls, no travel, just let us handle this if it's too daunting. Step 5. Insert the new battery. Take your new compatible battery and align it correctly within the battery compartment. Ensure that the connectors from the battery align with the connectors inside the vacuum. Gently push the battery down until it fits securely into place. Step 6. Replace the battery cover. Now, take the battery cover and position it back onto the vacuum. Use the Phillips screwdriver to secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure that the cover is firmly in place to prevent any issues during operation. Step 7. Final check. Before testing your vacuum, quickly check for any leftover tools or screws in your work area. It's essential to ensure nothing is left behind that could cause problems. Once everything is in order, plug in your vacuum and turn it on. It should be functioning smoothly with the new battery. Conclusion. If you encounter any issues or need assistance, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you won't have any surprises. By following these steps, you can extend the life of your Dyson SV25 and enjoy its powerful suction once again. Thank you for watching, and happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.